Can you hear that? It's the sound of the wind. By producing electricity and helping society reduce its CO2 emissions, wind power has become a part of the energy transition. To improve generated energy, however, the blades need to start turning as soon as the wind blows. Mechanical problems represent a challenge in achieving peak productivity, as any slowdown or stoppage can have an impact on energy output. Effective servicing of equipment is important to help reduce downtime and maintenance costs, and reduce the potential for repairs. One technical challenge is that after years of use, the grease lubricating the machine parts, like bearings and gears, can become dirty and dry out. This can negatively affect bearing life and blade movement. Shh. Do you hear that? Nothing. Nada. Nichts. To help avoid this, the contaminated grease should be flushed out before being replaced. Flushing is an important step in cleaning out every part of the complex machinery, especially the recesses and the crevices that can be easily missed. To efficiently and effectively clean out the entire mechanism, a fluid with excellent solubility and low surface tension has the advanced cleaning power and wetting capabilities required. Introducing Actrel Cleaning Agent. Actrel is the latest generation fluid especially designed to help rejuvenate bearings and other machinery parts during maintenance. Besides high-efficiency cleaning, Actrel can help to protect turbine parts thanks to the low to no impact it can have on sealing elastomers and metal parts. Actrel can also secure the comfort and safety of maintenance staff, as it is virtually odorless, has an occupational exposure level of 1200 milligrams per square meter, offers low hazard inhalation toxicity and ambient to normal handling temperatures. In addition, Actrel fluids are expected to degrade rapidly once in the air, and Actrel fluids are not expected to be harmful to aquatic organisms. They have the potential to biodegrade in the environment and will not persist. Hear that? That's your wind power back online. Actrel Fluid. A win-win solution to help enhance your wind power generation.